Morning, Will. How are you?
Good.
What you are doing today?
Manual license?
Manual driving lesson, okay? Then you are going for the manual drive test.
Yes.
Okay? Pull out from the car when safe, please. Okay, number 1 stall, okay? That's fine. Don't worry. Take it easy, okay? At the end of the street, turn left. Now, Will, can you just explain what are the criteria we are discussing already?
School zone.
Okay, so what do you need to do with the school zone?
Go like 5 under 40.
Okay. So if the speed limit is 40, what are the things you will do? 35, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. At the next street, turn left. It's a beautiful Leonkata, right?
Yeah.
Turn left at the next street. Okay, Will, now tell me what are the next criteria you need to focus on during your drive test? One of the important aspect about the observation, okay?
Yeah.
So before every single indicate, okay? When they ask you turn right, turn left, whatever, first look at the mirror, okay?
Yeah.
And then indicate. At the roundabout, we are going straight ahead. So at the roundabout, what are the criteria you need to follow?
Get right. Way to the right side.
Way to the right side. Beautiful. So no one is coming, so keep going. At the end of the street, turn left. And what is this sign? So in the stop sign, what are the things you need to do?
Stop 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Okay, now see, we stop now for this car, right?
Yeah.
So this is not for the stop sign. When this car will go, then you can go and stop. Lots of people, they think, hey, I already stopped. But remember, there is a car in front of you. So we just put a gap. So that this stop is not for this sign stop. Okay. Lateral position will be on the left hand side. Full stop. After this white car, good gap. Yeah. In the left lane. When safe, move to the right lane. So if it is safe, if it is not safe, can you change the lane?
If it's not safe, no.
Okay, so when safe, move to the right lane. So we are not, we are making a left turn just over there, okay? Just go to the city center.
Left turn?
Yeah, left turn. Signal left. If you don't signal, then mean you are going for the right. Yep. At the roundabout, straight ahead, please. All the best. Good luck.
Thank you.